Hello, this is Master Mike, and I'm here with Miss Leah. Basically, today we're going to be talking about teamwork. We're going to start our video series of teamwork, and it's going to be like 6 videos, and we're going to deal with 3 videos that actually deal with an effective team. Then we'll talk about an ineffective team, and we'll have 3 videos to actually cover those key areas that really would describe an ineffective team. So today, we're actually talking about the first actual principle or reality that a team needs to have to be effective. And this is in the initial stages of putting a team together. So when you're actually first putting a team together, you have to be, first of all, adaptable. So, Miss Leah, what does adaptable mean to you?
Yeah, I think for me, just thinking of this principle of being adaptable, like for myself, like I think when you're going in to form a team, it's good to not have just to go in with a clean slate, right? Like not have a prerequisite of like, hey, this is my agenda, this is how it's going to go. Like just being an open book to hear what everybody is bringing to the table and what they have to say, their ideas. But yeah, I think it's good, like as a leader, like if you're establishing this team, to have like a goal, but being open to be adaptable to hear what everyone's ideas are.
When starting a new team, or even in an existing team, this is something that you constantly will run across, that you have to be adaptable. This means that you have to be a good listener. You have to be humble. You have to realize that, you may want to do things a certain way, but if you have a team, you actually practice restraint to actually control your urges to do it your way. And you have to, even more importantly, realize that the identity of the team members, not by their names specifically, or culture, or race, or any of that stuff, but the fact that they have a specific area of passion and skill that they are more effective in than you or any of the other team members may be. Yeah, there may be some blending, like some people who could kind of do both, but there's always one area that they're most passionate about, that they're going to be most effective for. And we can't put them in a place that doesn't actually match them, because what happens is we actually hurt our own team progress, because we have thing about the hand doing the job of the arm is not possible. We need to let that person function the way that they're actually designed to function. So, anything else to add?
Yeah, I totally agree with you. Like, I think sometimes even going into the team, you don't realize even your own giftings or your strong suits or your weaknesses, and just how you can help each other in the team out is like, how can you encourage and really uplift each other, like in the team, so that their gifts shine more, or like, because then it doesn't become like a selfish thing, right? Like you're thinking about other people, and so I think like going back to being adaptable, we want to go in to be a team player, to see hey, what are my team members bringing to the table that we can utilize, and how can I adapt to that? How can be a learner, to soak in what I can learn and what other people bring, and how we're able to work together. So
To be a good team, this is just something that's necessary. It's not an option. It's not an idea or a concept. It's necessary to be an effective team, because we do know that many people will say, all right, I'm better than everybody and I can do this. And you should be a leader in your own right. But an effective leader is adaptable. They can transition according to the situation that they're given. And it doesn't mean that, this opens the door for abuse, for people to just say, all right, well, you're going to just do what I want you to do and the way I want you to do it. Because that is a reality that causes an effective team to actually become ineffective when a leader or somebody who has more influence in that group actually dominates other team members and tries to control them.